Premtobre Kasee na ogu so share Adom TV na ye to so de makwa Asante mu na wona eton enwuramunam ene wo sere pa se emo ne bo ho e wo se bo ho ban visa botayenti a wo mo e wa asase so no ye pa bi te se pangolins e wo se bo e ho ban ye pa na etume bo aye mu nkyere mu Adom TV Kasee eto so
Kwemada Emma Ejwedifue Comfort Bedu edi tudwa se womo edi ato womo enuanum enim se womo enwe se omanfo a womo ekọ enwuremu ekọchi aprawa edi beton womo abosafo enina amane se chi a womo chi omno mu ku omno womo nyai
obia sebi oye bofo a wode nam free ekurase breye no ye be kan kire womo se apra ne ya aboa abansi ma yenku no kura enti womo so omo ya abofo na nkwurem ebesere womo se ma womo so nkuno sanse wukunu na akohia amane a na akohia nkwantia aban no obedi
ojodini ba konsuso efia agimai enso ede futuo ema ejwedifo
sese dia ya ne se bia be frɛ ne bofo aka je bofo ne se sese okoto apra nkuno na bra ne se apra be hu meeting wozu so far kan se what they are probably positive. When you are bia, Tiaslo, when you are proud, and you are doing Sokotuna, Bokunu.
Zoo manager war Kumasi Zoological Gardens, Ura Ziaka, and so adding some say Tuja.
If the people who actually receive these animals from hunters and sell them are now saying this, then it is exciting to us as officers from the Wildlife Division of the Forestry Commission who have been mandated to protect the wildlife resources of our country. So today is a very important day. We thank INEC and all the stakeholders who have actually made this very possible. And for us to get this feedback, to me, we have achieved our main aim.
Executive Director Aonunewo Institute of Nature and Environmental Conservation, INEC Ghana, David Kwati and Sudin Semse Etuja.
Not long ago, a seizure was made in Malaysia, and it is believed that that seizure, the pangolin skills came from Ghana. So there's a serious international trade, illegal international trade of pangolins going on. And we want to believe that with the education our custom officers have received today, they will be at the lookout for pangolin skills and seize them even on our borders before it even gets out of this place.